how to fix Instagram direct messages error on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open Play Store, type here Instagram and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just click update, and if that doesn't fix it and you have an Android, go to settings, scroll, click apps and apps again and type here Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and if that also doesn't fix it, click clear data and click OK. And if you have an iOS, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.